Hello, new member. Welcome to answer a smooth transition. Please review our core workplace. We start working at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Fridays. Regarding Arthur, we maintain a business culture record. In meeting, punctuality is crucial. Please arrive 5 minutes early and keep devices silences to minutes. Distractions. When spending email, use clear subject lines, maintain a professional tone, and respond within one day. Finally, always treat coworker with respect, listen actively, and communicate constructively. If you have any question, please reach out. Thank you.